Hello everyone. These days, IV infusion has been seen to gain a lot of popularity in the aesthetic clinics. Now, what is the buzz all about? What are the different kinds of IV fluids that we inject in our clinic, and what is the most popular and most useful one? Coming to first one, that is Myers cocktail. Now, what is this cocktail all about? A cocktail means there are a lot of multivitamins, antioxidants, and some calcium and minerals for your skin and overall health. It's not only to have a good and glowing skin, but also to combat your hydration if you are suffering from dehydration, also to improve your mood if you are having a little bit of depression or if you're not feeling too good about yourself, because it contains magnesium. It also improves your muscular activity because it has calcium gluconate, and it also has glutathione, which is known to be an antioxidant which acts by decreasing the melanin in our blood cells, and by which we can turn our skin tone a little fairer than what we are right now. So this infusion is taken most of the time by people when they are having a little bit of low energy, a little bit of low mood, and a decrease in glow in the skin. So Myers cocktail is very popular because it gives instant result and it stays for a month or so. And the bag also looks quite fancy because of the use of all these vitamins, from vitamin C to ascorbic acid to vitamin B12, all this this combination. It makes it look like a nice yellow bag, which is also known as banana bag. So we have glutathione, we have calcium gluconate, we have magnesium, and we have all these multivitamins to help you in having a good life. And in our stressful life nowadays, we are going through a lot of emotional stress and we don't take care of our diet, because at times we are dieting because we have to look good by looking slim, and at other times our food are adulterated, so we are not getting the essential nutrients that our body should get. So this kind of cocktails have become very popular these days because everyone opts for it. No one has time to take multivitamins, calcium, and other things. So they come to us and they say, just give us this IV infusion and we are done for a month. So this is a very popular treatment that we do in the clinic. Another IV infusion which is popular in our clinic is weight loss drip. Now, many people come to our clinic asking for weight loss drip without doing any kind of exercise and not maintaining a healthy diet. It is not possible to lose your weight by only taking IV drip, mind you. Earlier, we used to use a combination of multivitamins, antioxidants like L-methionine, inositol, choline, vitamin B, vitamin C, which used to suppress your appetite and increase your metabolism. Nowadays, L-carnitine is a very popularly used molecule which is used to take your fatty acids from your food to the blood cells so that it is easily metabolized and it is taken away from your body rather than getting deposited in unwanted areas. So fat cells are easily removed from your body by the help of L-carnitine, and that is why it is gaining more popularity, and it is supposed to give you a further effect from weight loss. And yes, it will not cause any kind of abnormal looking skin, and your skin will keep looking hydrated and you will not have sunken face unless other methods of weight loss. Who do not want to stay ageless, right? So there is another drip which is known as ageless drip. In this ageless drip, we have a popular compound called NAD+. It helps by repairing your damaged DNA inside the cell. So from cellular level to outside, we have multiple techniques to look young these days. So this is also very popular and absolutely safe method to keep looking young and improve your energy level to stay young and look young.